Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will starting our new chapter, but before starting our chapter we will recite a dua. So repeat with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, ऐ मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. Now we will start our chapter that which is drawing in paint. So open page number 55. In this chapter we will learn about the different tools and how can we use it. So firstly we will discuss about the curve tool. So you can see here we have a curve tool. So we will click over here and then we select a size कि हमें किस size का curve tool draw करना है. So we click size. Here we have a different size over here. So we select only one size. Here we have a size 8. So now we will draw the curve. As you can see, same as we will draw another curve. In this way we can draw our curves and also change their size with size button, then select a thickness of the curve tool. Now move on the shape group. This is the shape group. In this group you can draw any shape with the help of this shape group. Okay, now I will show you some shapes. How can we draw it? Firstly, you can select the square. This is the square and you can drag your mouse like this. So in this way you can draw any shape you want. And with the help of size you can change your size of any shape. Like I want this size and I select this triangle and then look, the size is changed. Okay, now move on another thing, that is eraser tool. Now here we have an eraser tool. This tool helps us to erase anything you want. So here we click there, you can erase whatever you want. Okay, like this. In this way you can erase your drawing, your text or anything which you want. Now here we have another option, that is fill with color tool. Now here we also have another option, that is fill with other tools. This is the fill with color. So when we click over here, आप देख रहे होंगे एक bucket की shape आ गई. With this bucket you can color your drawing like this. You can select any color you want. I click the orange color and then I fill it. So in this way you can color your drawing or images. Now move on another tool, that is text tool. Now this is the text tool. यहाँ आपको एक capital A नज़र आ रहा है. This is the text tool. With the help of this text tool you can write anything you want. So here I click and I write here like drawing. So with the help of this text tool you can write anything you want. See. So with the help text tool you can write anything you want. I write over here is paint. What I write here? Paint. I change the color, then I change the size of this text, bold, italic and underline. Now you can see you can write anything you want with the help of this size tool. Now we will discuss about another thing, that is the select tool. With the help of the select tool you can select anything or any images. Now here we have a select tool. Okay, here we have a select tool. In this select tool we have a angular selection, free from selection, select all, transparent selection. आपको किसी भी किस्म की सिलेक्शन करनी है तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सिलेक्शन ऑफ शेप्स यू कैन select anything you want. Now we will discuss about the magnifier tool. Here we have a magnifier tool. ये आपको magnifier tool है. ये मैग्नीफायर टूल यूज़ किया जाता है किसी भी इमेज को लार्जर फॉर्म में करने के लिए, लाइक दिस. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मैग्नीफायर टूल यू कैन मैग्नीफाई योर इमेज. क्लिक ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द ड्राइंग एंड यू वांट टू जूम इन, so you can do it with this tool. Now here we stop our chapter on page number 65. You must have to practice all this thing. We will continue our video with our next new topic. Thank you.